So cleaning up the job site is an essential task for any job, whether you're in commercial construction or in a remodeling situation. It not only keeps the job site safe for the crews and clean, but also keeps the customers happy in that transition time of a remodel or an occupied space. And when I talk about job site cleanup, I'm really talking about vacuum. And what we did on end user research, we found that most users were relying on AC, corded, bulky and cumbersome vacuums to literally complete every single cleanup task they had under the sun. Whether they wanted to clean up this entire room, if it was littered with debris and sawdust, they would bring out that vacuum. They would take that same vacuum into a smaller, more confined space where the mess is at your feet, and it really wasn't the right vacuum for that. You needed something a little bit smaller, something a little bit more portable. We even saw these users bringing vacuums up at height, say for active dust collection, putting them in some unsafe environments, and some unique areas as well too. What they were really tied down by was the cord and the sheer size of these cumbersome vacuums. They were really lacking the portability and the versatility that they were looking for. They were crying out for something, or a vacuum that could go on anywhere, on any job, and clean up a wide range of materials. So that's why we're excited to introduce today our M18 Fuel 3-in-1 backpack vacuum, which is going to be launching later this year. Now, one of the most interesting thing about this product really is its versatility. So as you can see, you can wear the product on your back. If I wanted to clean this entire room, that would be perfect for that. Strap this thing on, turn on the button, cordless, and you can go. But we wanted to add some more versatility to the product. Smaller, more confined spaces. We gave the user the ability to remove the harness at the click of a button. So now all of a sudden, this product transforms into a familiar spot cleanup type of canister bag, going into those smaller places where the mess is at your feet, where the bulky and cumbersome bag really can't go. But we didn't stop there. We wanted to give it even more added versatility. Even an integrated hanging hook, lifts, ladders, scaffolding, 2x material, bringing it up at height in some of those unique areas. You know, I've seen this thing hung in a lot of different things, but quite frankly, I'm excited to see where this thing can be hung later on in the future. So, super unique product, and hopefully that explains kind of what led us to design. You can wear it, you can hang it, and you can carry it. Now, when you talk about job site cleanup, you're cleaning up anything from sawdust to concrete dust to really anything in between. So as such, really the number one performance, or the number one need in this category really is performance. So we accomplish that by a couple of different ways. So first and foremost, it's going to be our power save brushless motor. Secondly, it's going to be the cyclonic design. You kind of see it kind of spinning around behind me. That enables us to get up to 2x more suction from the direct competition in the space. And as you're hearing, not hearing, so the vacuum is also very quiet. It's up to 3x quieter than the traditional AC job site vacuum, allowing you to take it anywhere from commercial construction all the way down to that remodel or occupied space installation. You're not going to get that tap on your shoulder saying, hey, you're disturbing the peace. So, super excited about this product to launch later this year and really fundamentally change how job sites are cleaned up today.